Hi, this is Venkatesh. Watch this series to improve your logical skills. Here, int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int c equal to a plus plus b. How this expression is going to be executed, I am going to explain in this video. Say two plus symbols is called increment operator because it increments the value by 1. If this operator prefixed with variable, it is called pre-increment operator. If this operator suffixed with variable, it is called post-increment operator. Pre-increment operator first increments, later other operation works. Post-increment operator first other operation works, later increments. That is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. Now, in this expression, I used pre-increment, I used post-increment, I used addition, I used assignment. How this expression is going to be executed, I'll explain. Say integer c equal to a plus b. Now, int a equal to 10. First of all, a value 10. Int b equal to 20. B value 20. C. Here, in this expression, highest priority increment operators, next priority addition, last priority assignment in this expression. These priorities are based on operator precedence. Say increment operator 2 times I used, then right to left. So first this operation works, plus b. B incremented by 1, b value 20. 20 incremented by 1, so it becomes 21. After this, it is post increment. So first other operation works with this a, later increments. Other operation nothing but addition. So here a value it will take 10. Here b value it will take 21 because it is pre-increment incremented. Now addition operation performed. 10 plus 21. The result is 31. This is stored in C. So C value 31. Now A works. Then it is incremented by 1. So it becomes 11. Say in this expression, highest priority increment operators. Increment operators right to left. So first this operation done. It is pre-increment, first increments. So b value 20 become as 21. After that, this a, it is post increment, first other operation works, later increments. That's what it will take 10. It will take 21. Addition done. 10 plus 21, 31. 31 stored in C. After that, it is incremented. Then 10 become as 11. If I compile and run this program, A value 11, B value 21, C value 31, output comes. See, compile, run. See, output is 11, 21, 31. Okay.